The Weldpro Omni 210 welder is a versatile machine offering multiple welding processes, including MIG, flux core, stick, and both AC and DC TIG, making it suitable for a variety of projects. This welder includes a dual voltage capability of 115 volts and 230 volts, allowing for flexibility in different power situations. The device features a user-friendly design with an auto-set menu and a multifunction digital display that simplifies process changes and parameter adjustments. With a maximum welding current of 200 amps, this welder can handle a wide range of materials and thicknesses, from aluminum to steel and other metals. Additional features like user-adjustable MIG inductance and VRD, hot start, and arc force adjustments enhance control and performance during welding tasks. The package includes a comprehensive set of accessories such as MIG and TIG torches, electrode holder, ground clamp, and a foot pedal, providing everything needed for a complete welding setup.